changing the oil in my car, in my truck, a Dodge Ram 1999 1500 for the first time. I'm currently backing it up a little bit in the garage so I have more room. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. And for this, the videos that I watched said you need an oil pan. I also got this one just in case like that one fills up. I don't think it will, but I'm paranoid, so you know, just to make sure. And then you need a 3/8 ratchet and a 16mm socket, I think is what it's called. And then an oil filter wrench. Okay. And then my truck, the Dodge 99, takes, say, 10W30. My dad said to buy the Pennzoil, so yeah. And then I also, everything on my truck needs to be refilled. So I got antifreeze and, you know, windshield wiper fluid, because the good people I take it to genuinely fill my windshield wiper fluid up, and since I'm not taking it in this time, you know, figured I need that. And then I'm completely out of power steering fluid, so yeah, I bought some of that too. And my brother's going to be helping me. Step number 1, crawl under your truck. This is really tight. Holy crud. And move your drain pan over here. Oh my gosh. Ow. Just hit my head. You know what? Oh, there's my drain pan. I was looking at the wrong thing. Okay. It's right here. Right there. Ah. Do you see how close the car is to my face? Don't do this if you're like claustrophobic. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna set this right here. Okay. Just like that. It's not moving either way. Woo! Call it in reinforcement, because I could not loosen it. Okay.
Is it still too tight?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that did not do it fully. Oh my gosh. That's a long nut. Whoa. Okay. I got it. It's all over my fingers. Okay, so I let that drain and it's now done. And so now I'm putting it back on. Now we have to go to the air filter, which is that way. So we move this. Can you give me the oil filter wrench?
Yeah.
Thanks. I'm actually gonna move. So I found the oil filter. It's this thing. This is a better video of the oil plug thing. But yeah, I was right there. Cool, so I got the new oil filter here. It's getting all over the wrench. Ooh, I did it though. Okay, it stopped leaking. Taking the old filter off. Whoa! Wow, that's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Whoa, holy crap, that is a ton of... Ah, okay, that's kind of cool. And it's draining some more. I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay, so now we have to put the new filter on right there. Let's see. Whoa. And just like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, so up top, really don't know why I'm doing such a like how-to video, because you know, y'all probably don't want to watch a 10-minute video, especially from a girl who's doing it for the first time, but you know, it's whatever. There's the oil cap. So yeah, you just put it in there. Okay, got it in. Again, it takes the Say 10W30, 5 quarts. So we're gonna pour this in there. Oh, I just poured like a whole bunch. Okay, now we're gonna put windshield wiper fluid in. Goes right here. It'll say it. And I am almost out, so I'm glad I bought it. Oh, it's got paper. Not paper, but plastic. Watch me spill this everywhere. Actually doing a good job with it. And I read the instructions, it says do not dilute. I don't know if they're all like that. They probably are. And now we're gonna put in power steering fluid, which goes like, I don't know if you can see it. It goes right there. So we're gonna take this off. About it, and you know, car's gonna be safer for now on. I'm gonna take better care of it. Probably should have a funnel for this too, because this is really okay. I'm spilling it everywhere. I'm gonna go get a funnel. So the way I overfilled it, it's supposed to be to this. I don't know if it'll focus. So anyways, it's supposed to be to this line right there. And you know, like if you put it in, it's fine. So I just used the turkey bacon.